Hello students, today I will start the introduction of exercise 13.2. Introduction of exercise 13.2. Surface area of right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. What is the meaning of right circular cylinder? Means what? This is a right circular cylinder where R is the radius in this. This is the radius and this is the height of the cylinder. Right, H be the height and R be the radius. So what is the total surface area? Total surface area of cylinder. In the last video I told you in total surface area we will include top, bottom and curve. Top is circular, so pi r square plus bottom is also circular, that is pi r square plus curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. So pi r square plus pi r square, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. You can take common 2 pi r inside left r plus h. This is the TSA of a cylinder. Okay. And curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. Okay. Now we will start exercise 13.2. Question first. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is curved surface area is given, that is 88 cm square, and height is equal to 14 cm. This is given to you. You will have to find the diameter of the base of the cylinder, means diameter you will have to find. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, that is equal to 88 cm square. 2 pi value is 22 by 7. Radius we don't know, height we know, that is equal to 88, right? 7 2s are 14, 22 2s are 44, 2s are 88. So this full will cancel with 88. R is equal to 1 centimeter. So if R is 1 centimeter, then diameter is twice of radius, means 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeter diameter. Got it? Now come to the question number 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. Height of a cylinder is given, that is 1 meter, and base diameter is given. Base diameter is given, that is 140 centimeter for a metal sheet. How many square meter of the sheet are required for the same? We will have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. So diameter is given, so what will be the radius? Radius is equal to half of diameter, means 140 by 2, that is 70 centimeter. But height is in meter, so we will have to convert this centimeter into meter. So if we will divide this by 100, then this will come in meter, right? So total surface area of cylinder will be 2 pi r plus h, 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 0.7 plus height is 1. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 10 we can write into 1.7, means by 10 we can, 7 and 7 will cancel. So what will come after multiplication? 2 into 22 into 17 by 100. 22 2s are 44. 44 multiply 17, when we will do 748 will come up by 100 is given, so 7.48 meter square. देखो 2 pi RH, R plus H is the TSA. 2 pi value is 22/7, radius is 0.7, height is 1. So 2 22/7, 7/10 we can write, and 0.7 plus 1, 1.7/10. So it will be 7 and 7 will cancel. 2 22 and 17/10 into 10, 100. 22 2s are 44, 44 17s are 748/100, 7.48 meter square. Now come to the question number 3rd. A metal pipe is 77 meter long. One metal pipe is given, that's length is 77 centimeter, means height is 77 centimeter, and the inner diameter is given, that is 4 centimeter, and outer diameter is equal to 4.4 centimeter. So inner radius will be 2 centimeter, because radius is equal to half of diameter, and outer radius will be, this is R1, suppose this is R2, 4.4 by 2, that is 2.2 centimeter. Right. In first part we have to find inner curved surface area. What is the inner curved surface area? Same, 2 pi RH, 2 pi R1H, because inner radius is R1, so 2 pi value is 22/7, R1 is 2, and height is 77, 7 11s are 22, 22 multiply 22 2s are 44, 44 2s are 88, 88 multiply 11, 968 centimeter square. This is the inner curved surface area. Second, outer curved surface area. Same, 2 pi R2H we will take, because for outer we have taken 2 into 22/7 into R2 is 2.2, height is 77. Same, it will be 10, 7 11s are, so after multiplication what we will get, 1064.8/10 centimeter square, means what will come, 1064.8 centimeter square. Okay. So in third part total surface area. What we will do in total surface area? Inner surface area plus outer surface area plus area of base ring. Area of base ring means this is 968, outer is 1064.8 plus base area of the base ring is 2 pi r square minus r square, you can write, means outer minus inner, 2 pi, because 2 time we will take. Why? Area of base ring means one ring and then 2 ring. Twice why we are taking twice? Because top and bottom both are there, that's why. So it will be 2032.8 plus 2 into 22/7. What is the capital R means outer and small r means inner. Outer ka square minus inner square. Outer radius square is 2.2 square minus 2 square. Okay? 2 into 22/7. A square minus b square we will apply. 2.2 minus 2 and 2.2 plus 2. 2.2 minus 2 means 0.2, and this is 4.2. Multiply 0.2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 0.84, and this is 2032.8 is already here. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. What will come after addition? 528/100. So 5.28 and here 2032.8. So total will be 2038.08 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the pipe, metal pipe. Now come to the question number 4th. The diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter. Diameter of roller is given, that is 84 centimeter, and length is equal to 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over a level to the playground. Playground के लेवल करने के लिए इसने क्या किया, 500 पूरे के पूरे रेवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट किए, मीन्स 500 टाइम्स उसको रोल किया. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द प्लेग्राउंड इन मीटर स्क्वायर. हमने प्लेग्राउंड का एरिया, हमें प्लेग्राउंड का एरिया तो नहीं पता, हमें प्लेग्राउंड कैसा होगा, हमारा क्यूबॉइडियल होगा, तो हम कैसे निकालेंगे. उसी जो हमारे पास रोड रोलर है वो कैसा है, वो सिलेंड्रिकल है, तो सिलेंडर का जो एरिया निकलेगा उस एरिया को ही हम प्लेग्राउंड का एरिया मानेंगे. ठीक है. एंड एरिया ऑफ प्लेग्राउंड जो निकलेगा वो 500 टाइम्स सिलेंडर के एरिया के इक्वल होगा. तो सिलेंडर का जो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया है, वाई वी विल टेक हियर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया हम इसलिए लेंगे क्योंकि जब हम उसको ऐसे रोल करेंगे 500 टाइम्स तो उसका टॉप और बॉटम का तो कोई रोल ही नहीं है, तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ कर्व्ड पार्ट का रोल है. तो दैट्स वाई वी विल टेक कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द रोलर, और 500 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा एरिया ऑफ क्या हो जाएगा, प्लेग्राउंड. ठीक है. और हो सकता है वो प्लेग्राउंड कैसा भी हो सकता है. L is equal to 120 centimeter, that is given. Okay, so radius will be 84 by 2, 42 centimeter. Length means height 120 centimeter. Curved surface area of roller 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is 42. Height is 120. 7 6 are 42. What will come after multiplication? 31680 centimeter square is the curved surface area. And total revolution for the level of the ground, total revolution is given for the level of ground is equal to 500 revolution. ठीक है. So area of playground हमारा कैसे निकलेगा, एरिया ऑफ प्लेग्राउंड जो होगा वो हमारा कैसे होगा, जो हमने रोड रोलर को 500 टाइम्स किया है, जो वो एरिया आएगा दैट इज़ द एरिया ऑफ द प्लेग्राउंड. मीन्स 500 टाइम्स द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द रोड रोलर, एंड दैट इज़ 131,680. When we will multiply this to 500, then 15841,234 centimeter square. This is in centimeter square. When we will convert it into meter, then we will divide it by 10,000. 0.0001584 meter square is the answer. Now fifth question. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Means what? Question 5. Cylindrical pillar is given 50 centimeter diameter is 50 centimeter and height is 3.5 meter. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of 12.50 per meter square. You will have to find the cost of painting. ठीक है. So radius will be 50 by 2, 25 centimeter. So we will find here curved surface area because curved surface area के लिए ही cost find करनी है और 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की cost 12.50 है. तो जितना एरिया निकलेगा उसकी cost कितनी आएगी हमने बतानी है. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया निकालेंगे. क्यों निकालेंगे कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया? क्योंकि पेंट करना है और पेंट उसने सिर्फ कर्व्ड पार्ट पे करना है, रेस्ट पार्ट पे पेंट नहीं करना. तो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया जो हमारा आएगा दैट इज़ 2 पाई आर एच होता है 22/7. रेडियस इज़ 25 एंड हाइट इज़ 3.5. Point cancel, 10 will come, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 and 2 will cancel, 22 and 25 when we will multiply 22 and 25 when we will multiply, then what will come? Oh sorry for that, because this diameter is in 50 centimeter, height is in meter, so we will have to divide this by 100 also. ठीक है. Then what will come after multiplying 550 by 100? 0 and 0 will cancel. 5.5 meter square is the curved surface area. After that, cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 12.50. तो cost of 5.5 meter square is equal to 12.50 into 5.5. When you will do the multiplication of 12.50 into 5.5, then rupees 68.75.